Hello, we are Baison Laser. We are a high-tech enterprise specializing in the research and development, production, and sales of laser intelligent equipment. We are also a leader in the global laser intelligent equipment field. Since our establishment in 2004, we have never stopped exploring laser intelligent equipment. Today, our laser cutting equipment is operating steadily in more than 150 countries and regions. With an unwavering initial intention and steadfast determination, we have a production base of about 100,000 square meters in Foshan headquarters, and branch offices in Guangzhou, Jiangsu, Changzhou, and Shandong, Jinan. So far, we have provided high-quality intelligent solutions to more than 15,000 metal cutting users. Intelligent, efficient, and precise in quality, with industry-leading automated advanced production equipment and more than 200 precision machining equipment. We are one of the few laser cutting machine manufacturers in China with independent production capabilities for beams, sheet metal, and machine tool frames. We implement a closed-loop control management of the production process to ensure that every piece of sheet metal to the entire machine equipment is produced independently and has strict self-inspection and mutual inspection processes, using solid materials, continuous tempering, and winning with quality. Adhering to the spirit of innovation and constantly upgrading research and development, we have a global advanced innovation research and development center with more than 65 R&D personnel dedicated to providing intelligent laser equipment solutions for global users and providing sustained intelligent manufacturing power for enterprises. With the focus on innovative exploration and dedicated research, we are committed to providing first-class laser solutions for global users. We have obtained more than 200 patent certifications and formed a full range of automated product lines for cutting sheets, cutting pipes, integrating sheets and pipes, and welding, which can meet customers' different metal processing needs. Customer first, service foremost. We have a comprehensive after-sales service with over 180 customer service representatives. We promptly solve problems in real time according to customer needs. We ensure customer satisfaction and protect their production efficiency. Strive hard and innovate with determination. Embrace laser manufacturing and contribute to China's innovation. Empower manufacturing and lead the way in intelligent manufacturing. We are Baison Laser.